Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're looking at taking away for year 1. What we need today: a sheet of paper or card for each child, buttons, compass, cubes, 6 of each for each child. Here's our mental learning objective. I understand taking away and can use the words about taking away. Here's my mental learning task. Today we're going to learn about something called subtraction. That looks like a long word. What it means is simply taking away. 5 big balloons I'm holding in my hand. All of a sudden, one goes bang. How many do I have now? I have 4 balloons. So 5 take away 1 is 4. 4 big balloons I'm holding in my hand. All of a sudden, one goes bang. How many do I now have? It is 4. Take away 1 makes 3. 3 big balloons I'm holding in my hand. All of a sudden, one goes bang. So it's now 3. Take away 1 makes 2. 2 big balloons I'm holding in my hand. All of a sudden, one goes bang. So it's 2. Take away 1 is 1 left. 1 big balloon I'm holding in my hand. All of a sudden, one goes bang. So 1 take away 1 is 0. Can you count back from 5? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Can you count back from 10? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There are 6 cans of drink on a shelf. 1 can gets bought. How many are left? 6. Take away 1. What is that? That's right, it was 5. There are 5 cans of drink on a shelf. Write the number sentence below. That will be 6 minus 1 equals 5. Pause the video to write the sentence. There are 5 cans of drink on a shelf. 1 is bought. How many are left now? There are now 4, because 5 take away 1 is 4. Write the number sentence for that one. 5 minus 1 equals 4. As a class, chant the number sentence. Pause the video and chant the number sentence. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Our mental learning objective. I understand taking away and can use the words about taking away. Here is our main learning objective. Today I'm going to learn my subtraction facts. I can recognize number patterns and being systematic. Here's our main learning task. Today we're going to work as a whole class looking at takeaways. Each child needs a sheet of paper and 6 buttons or other small objects. Put the buttons in a line, like I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You must decide how many to hide with a sheet of paper. How many have I hidden? I have hidden 4 of them. Write how many buttons can be seen and how many are hidden. So there were 6 altogether. You can see 2, so there are 4 hidden. 6 minus 2 equals 4. All of them, take away the ones you can see, equals the number which are hidden. Now try it for yourselves. Write down each sum and write your sums on the board. Pause the video while you do this activity. What do you notice? Pause the video and tell your teacher what you notice. Here's a challenge. If you want maths to be a little bit harder, choose another number instead of 6. Do your own recording. The main learning objective. Today I'm going to learn my subtraction facts. I can recognize number patterns and being systematic, being organized. Here is my plenary. Remember the 6 cans on the shelf? 1 was bought. How many were left? 6. Take away 1 was 5. Brilliant answer. 5. Write the number sentence on the board. Pause the video to write the number sentence down. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Pause the video until you are ready. If the shopkeeper put 1 more on the shelf with the other 5 cans, how many are there now? That'd be 5 plus 1 more equals 6. That's right. Write this number sentence down. Pause the video and write the sentence. 5 plus 1 equals 6. The 2 sums had the same numbers in it. If I gave you 6 take away 2 equals 4, what is the other number sentence you could write? Pause the video and write down the answer. You could write 4 plus 2 equals 6. You worked extra hard today. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I love teaching maths. I love giving children maths assessments, maths quizzes, maths games, and maths lessons. And I'd hate for you to miss any of them. So, I look forward to seeing you again soon, and goodbye!